Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of May. Taurus, you need to know that if you want to date somebody in the industry, Taurus, you have to be prepared for what comes with it. I was just watching a video of Quavo and Swadi, right? And them have, can you imagine knowing that your ex used to date somebody and then you have to look on social media and see all these pictures, all these videos of what once was, you're going to be the love of my life. Gotcha, bitch. No, it wasn't. It was just another relationship. Nevertheless, them exes have to see this. What Swadi ex think? No, what Swadi current boyfriend think seeing all these romantic past photos of she and Quavo? Your heart are strong, okay? So I'm getting you like industry girls, or you want to be with an industry girl, but you might not be too strong in the heart to deal with the past that comes with this industry girl, okay? Taurus are usually not fussy and they're not really jealous people, especially the men. So I don't feel like you have that problem. Maybe this is what somebody's thinking of you. I can't compete with her exes. Oh my God, she used to date this person. Oh my God. Oh my, so the what? People in Hollywood get passed around all the time. All the fucking time. And you're worried about the bitch on your corner? What the fuck? Yeah, the sun card, happiness. Or I'm getting, that's what it is. Oh, what's up? Not every relationship is meant to last. And even though there is footage of... Look on the footage of Kanye West and Kim Kardashian when they were on the bike. What do you think Kanye new girl? You think if Kanye new girlfriend said, oh my God, Kanye used to be with Kim, I don't want to be with him, I'm too jealous. You think if she ever said that, she would be holding Nart? Fashion Week? No, okay? So the sun card. Exactly, okay? Sometimes you have to move on to what makes you happier, okay? I want to be happier, underrated, okay? I'm also getting something about a Leo, all right? We got, this is a Leo. I'm getting Leo. The sun, strength. Yeah, this is a Leo. I'm getting something about, okay, so this is something about a Leo. A Leo is very insecure because of your exes. And, yeah. Someone's like, are you going to go back? Are you going to move on?